Mending broken fences, rebuilding relationships. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, mending broken fences. This expression is rich in meaning and is used widely in English to talk about repairing relationships that have gone sour. Let's explore its origins, meanings, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Stay with us to enhance your English vocabulary and communication skills. Mending broken fences is a metaphorical phrase. In a literal sense, if a fence is broken, you would fix it to keep your property secure and maintain its appearance. Metaphorically, fences represent the boundaries or the state of our relationships with others. When we talk about mending broken fences, we're referring to the process of repairing damaged relationships, resolving misunderstandings, and restoring peace and goodwill between people. The origin of this phrase is rooted in rural and agricultural settings, where physical fences are crucial for demarcating land and protecting livestock. Over time, it has been adopted into everyday language to symbolize the act of reconciliation. It's commonly used in both personal and professional contexts. For instance, you might mend broken fences with a friend after a misunderstanding, or a business might seek to mend fences with a dissatisfied customer. Mending broken fences involves several key steps. 1. Acknowledgement of the issue or hurt that has caused the rift. 2. Communication is vital, opening up a dialogue to discuss problems openly and honestly. 3. Apology and forgiveness. Saying sorry and accepting apologies is crucial for healing. 4. Taking action to ensure that the issues don't recur, showing commitment to the relationship. After years of disagreement, they are finally mending broken fences and starting to rebuild their friendship. The company is mending fences with its customers by improving product quality and customer service. Mending broken fences is more than just an idiom. It's a valuable concept in nurturing and maintaining healthy relationships. Whether it's with friends, family, or colleagues, understanding and applying the essence of this phrase can lead to more harmonious and fulfilling interactions. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of reconciliation and how you can use this expression to enhance your English proficiency. Remember, it's never too late to mend broken fences. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content.